Welcome back to the Nailed It Show. This episode is specifically for roofing companies who focus on storm restoration roofing. I want to announce a brand new company, a brand new partnership that I am a part of with two amazing leaders that I've become friends with and have gotten the chance to work with over the past several years. This new venture is called Supplement and Claim Pros, and it is run by a roofing company owner that has a lot of experience building a sizable roofing company and figuring out the claims supplement formula. I recently flew out from Jersey to Indianapolis to meet up with Adam and Aaron to kind of kick off our new venture, to create some content, and we want to share this with you guys today. So if you are a roofing company and you focus on storm restoration, a lot of insurance claims, and you want to maximize your profit, this video, this audio is a quick kind of behind the scenes kickoff of Supplement and Claim Pros with an opportunity to learn how we might be able to help you guys improve, increase your profit, and get rid of some of that back office work that sucks up so much of your time. So this is a good kind of behind the scenes fun video with Aaron and Adam. Tune in. I look forward to talking with you soon.
We're coming about it from a standpoint of, obviously, Aaron founded Indie Roof Company, understands that component and that background. Aaron Poland owns one of the largest public adjusting firms in the country. My business development background, like we all decided to dream this thing up together.
If you could have the dream team, I think that's the starting point. I think that was really a good team because everybody had their own. The people running the day-to-day operations have their own backgrounds. So I not only do we now that it's when we're taking on clients and going through this, not only when I talk to them or whoever talks to them on the onboarding side, we don't just say, hey, this is what we can do for you, which is great because when we were having somebody else do it, we were at a 9% overage. We're at between 19 to 21% overages now, and that's pure profit. So you're talking about 10% additional of pure profit. That's why we've talked about it before. In 2012, I think we did a little bit less. I'm sorry, not 2012, 2022.
Yeah,
we did
2012.
Yeah, wait, what? we did less than almost doubled, or I'm sorry, 23. I'm getting confused, but either way, we did less.
2024 right now.
I know, dude.
March 1st.
Where am I at? What city am I in? So it was in 22. We actually, when we started doing this for ourselves, we did less revenue by almost $1 million and almost doubled the profit, right?
Wow.
By starting this and by focusing on this.
Yes. And so, it makes a massive difference. But on top of that, I've learned so many things from running my edit into different supplementing items. And I used to supplement everything myself. And then we had companies, and I figured out how customers take advantage of you. I figured out how companies take advantage of you. So not only do we help you and help you make more money, but I help you avoid the same issues that I've been dealing with over and over again, like paying out on customer supplements and then they don't do it, and then paying the supplementing company and then the customer decides to back out. Like we got fixes for all of them. So I try to really help people as a whole and not just say, hey, we're going to help you make more money.
Yeah, and so you have that component, and then Aaron Poland again owns one of the largest public adjusting firms in the country, and then he also worked for an insurance carrier who I won't say their name. I will just say that Aaron is one of those guys.
It rhymes with Slate Flarm.
I was gonna say, he's just like a good neighbor.
Yeah.
But now we're super excited because we said, all right, we've got this thing going. And we did, I think, 1 or 2 Facebook posts and had been helping some additional companies. So of course, we wanted to kind of work out the kinks. So for a little over a year, we just did Indie Roof Company through these processes and doing the supplementing and all of that kind of stuff. Then we made, I think, 1 or 2 posts. Aaron specifically made 1 or 2 posts on social media. And I think we got in an additional 9 clients from several different states.
Kind of started to grow from there.
So it's kind of starting to grow. But then we said, you know what? And just like everything that we really do in business, where we feel so blessed to lead the companies that we do, we don't just want to kind of keep those things for ourselves. We want to be able to give back. Like you said, like you're never going to retire. We're kind of in that same spot. We kind of always want to give back. We've been able to see some amazing success in different things. And so this is one of those components where it's like, we want to share this with the masses as well. And so again, we just kind of went back to the dream room, if I can say it that way, and said, we want to talk specifically to a guy about partnering with us in this business to kind of share the gospel a little bit more about what's going on and all that. And there was only really one person that we thought of, and it was you. And we started having conversation, and next thing you know, we finally figured out how to twist your arm. No, I'm just kidding. But so we're really excited. Congratulations and welcome to the team. We're super excited to have you a part of the journey.
And I do want to clarify this real quick, because it was the same thing when he said that. And we've never told you this. You don't know this, but we said, hey, we're trying to figure this out. And when we talked to you, you were the only person that we thought that met the same core values that we have. And we were so excited to invite you to be a partner in it. And I want to thank you for accepting that, because I'm really looking forward to working with somebody with the same vision.
Yeah, I am too. Awesome. I mean, I'm honored to be here. That's why I wanted to come out and do it in person.
Yeah.
And when you first reached out, Aaron, going back to core focus or your mission statement, like in my head, I was like, no, because we have our core focus as a business, and I don't have shiny object syndrome and things like that. But I give it some more thought, and obviously we've had a relationship for many years, as friends and working together and whatnot. And I was like, yeah, this is pretty cool. And one of our parts of our core focus is equipping people and companies with the tools to transform and grow. And there's a lot of bad service providers.
That fits right in there.
Really?
Yeah, that's amazing. That's awesome.
All right. So, there's a lot of bad service providers out there that take advantage of contracting companies. And that's why we're so focused on education. So it's like a perfect fit, and talked to our leadership team about it, got some feedback, because I try not to make decisions on my own. Right. And yeah, I'm honored as well. I mean, the values are there. It's perfect. All right, guys, you saw it. You heard it. That's how it went down. I've known Adam and Aaron for several years. We've worked together. We've hung out together. We've become friends. And it was awesome to fly out to Indy to sit down in their studio and sign the deal and really kick things off. That's just a small segment of a longer video that we have. But we wanted to get this one out to you guys to, again, announce our partnership and Supplement and Claim Pros, announce the new venture, and let you guys know how we can help you, again, create more profit and outsource some of the mundane work of all the claims back and forth work. So head on over to supplementandclaimpros.com, click the link below this audio or video to learn more about what it is that we do here, and schedule a time to talk with one of our experts here at Supplement and Claim Pros. We'll talk to you soon.